Okay guys, we're heading over to the Home Depot. We have an awesome segment this morning. It entails mice, rats, well, not so much rats, and squirrels, varmints that get up inside your attic, in through the eaves, through the foundation where you got holes everywhere around the house. So we're gonna go into the store. I'm gonna show you some products you can buy to keep those guys out. We don't need no new tenants in the house. All right, so stay tuned, here we go. Off we go. So this is called hardware cloth. It is a metal galvanized type of steel with these holes. They can really help out with when you have squirrel issues where they shoot holes through the siding or up in a corner somewhere that you can't get to. So Taco picked out some steel wool, which is really awesome material to use when you want to fill some of those holes in those hard to reach places where the mice get in. Okay guys, so here's a few different style mouse traps. Okay, here's your original style. These have been around for 100 years, okay? And then they've revamped that style with this one where you don't take your fingers off. Everybody's familiar with that one. That's the one that I really like. And then you have the mouse hotel, which you can catch your tenants and release them because a lot of people don't want to kill the poor little guys. So we're gonna take another walk around the facility here and pick up a few more items. And Taco has to get his treats as well. We have a lot of clients that have mouse issues in their attics, in their basement, under their cabinets. It's an on. So guys, here's a few different areas mice can get into. They can climb up your siding. They're pretty amazing animals. They can get right up underneath these little fascias here, okay? Into those vents. If those vents don't have screens, they can actually get up underneath the fascia boards here. They don't need much. They only need like the size of a pencil to get in there. And there can be a lot of areas down around your house where the utilities come in. Let me show you here. This is one of my clients' houses. So here you go. Here's an area right here. They can get into, if this is not properly sealed up, they get into those areas there where the utilities go through the wall. This is a cement stucco wall, which actually is, they're probably pretty lucky because here is another possible area in this house where the roof meets the other roof right here. A lot of times there's little gaps in these soffits and they crawl right up in there and into the attic. So these varmints, they can get in wherever they want. They can climb these walls right up onto the roof, getting through the roof ridge vents if there's gaps there. Getting into the attic is super easy. So the best way for us to really deal with this issue is to set some traps, probably up in the attic on a regular basis. That was a successful shopping spree. What do you think, Taco? Back to the truck. We got to get to our client's house to kill those varmint.